Hey guys, Praveen here, and in this video we are going to look at the changes that I made while developing what I designed. So basically, this is something that I've designed in Figma, and while developing I made some changes, and I'm just gonna tell you, why I made those changes, and how I would design something in the future with these the experience that I have while developing this application. So this application is called Teak. We have right over here, and this is just for like designers uploading their reference images, and then they can go in and search by folders, or they can just search anything. So today I'm going to concentrate on this sidebar. So this is the sidebar that I've designed. So it has the team switcher, the add button where you'll add your images, search, everything, unorganized, favorites, trash, settings, and all the folders that you can add, and Teak logo at the bottom, just so we fill that space, which I didn't like being empty. But let's see the version that is in production right now, and we have this. So here it's looks pretty much the same, but I don't have a team switcher here, just the text and the image per profile image, the plus button, that's a search, everything, favorites, trash, settings, and the folders with the emoji icons, and add button over here, and we have the Teak logo at the bottom over here. So what changed? Structurally everything's the same, the header, sidebar, main content. Also we have the same header, sidebar, main content. So the structure what I've designed is pretty much the same, but some little things. So if you can see over here, we have the team switcher, which is obviously isn't here. So that was out of scope for the like version 1. I still have this space so that I can add the team switcher later if I want, but like maybe the version 1 is just like personal library. It's not going to have anything more than that. So this is just for the personal library. So I'll just have a static text with personal library and our profile image over here, and we have the plus button, which remains the same, search, which is the same, everything, which is the same. Everything is like our home page with every image, but I didn't add unorganized. I thought that was again little out of scope. It's not needed, because basically this is like on version 1 people will add not that much images, so everything can be seen in everything page itself. We don't need unorganized, so I didn't add that. Favorites is there, trash is there, settings is there. I've updated some icons to better fit the aesthetic of it, which I like these icons better. And this folders is in uppercase. I didn't like that when I developed it, because everything else in lowercase. It lowercase just felt better way over here. And if you can see, these emojis are in white card containers. I didn't add that because the emoji is already little small, the text is already little small. I didn't want the emojis to be even smaller in this white container, so I removed the white container. So we have just the thing over here, but everything else same. We have the folder names like this, and while designing I forgot to add the how do I add a new folder. So I've added that over here with the add button, so that works. And of course I have the Teak logo at the bottom. One thing I couldn't design over here is like this. While I hover over the edge here, I have this draggable thing, so when I click on it, it just moves it. So I've added that, which is not in the designed version. And of course we have the cyber open and close button over here. So yeah, that's the changes. And if you look closely, this is much more of a bluer gray, and this is a little warmer. I like this warm color because blue is looking too much blue, so I chose the overall tone gray to be some warmer color, which I think it looks better. But maybe I'll change it to blue. So that's not done yet. So yeah, that's it. Those are all the changes I made. Structurally everything is the same, but while developing I really honed on what I need for version 1 rather than what I have in the design. So this is a long-winded way of saying you don't need to design or develop everything in the design. you can, you know, scope down even more while developing. So while designing, you have the free range, you have an infinite canvas, you can do anything. But while developing, you have to, you know, weigh the pros and cons of your engineering time, of your engineer's engineering time, so you can even hone down more while developing. So yeah, that's it. Let me know if these kinds of videos are, you know, interesting, and I'll make more. Bye bye.